Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add custom field into QuickBooks. You can add the custom field through your list in customers or vendors, right? So both of them have same access to items list. So when you click on customers items list, or you can go to vendors items list, both of them would be pointing to same field, right? So here you see I added one database consulting as a field, second is out of state. So you can remove the item if you want. Let's say I'm choosing to delete this, right? So it cannot be deleted because it is in use, so make it inactive or cancel, right? So what we will do, we will create new one from items, click new. Here you see you have type as service, non-inventory part, charge, subtotal, group, discount, payment, then let's say sales item and tax group sales, right? So here I want to use service and I want to create a custom field, right? So here I will have to define that custom field, right? So here let's say if I want to label it as consulting and I want to use any text, or say let's say numbers, decimals, okay, any text should do. Then is it a list? Yes, so it is part of service, right? So I'll be adding that. Click OK, then click OK again, and then it should be adding. So new field gets added, right? Click OK, cannot be blank. So here we can add something like, let's say database service, right? And click OK, right? So here if I choose service and then sub item of, and then here you see database consulting or database service, right? So I can select from that. So whenever you are trying to add a list which can be used through customer or vendor, you can go to items list, then you can go to new item or edit item, should be allowed you to edit those fields. So here the data has been changed. Do you wish to save it? Click yes. Item name cannot be blank, so let's keep it some name with, let's say DBA as item name, right? Or right, okay, so if you want you can add number, so we'll keep that for now. Here within account we will have to select consulting income, right? And then click OK. Now our field is added, and here you see it has a type of service, account of consulting income, right? So basically you have that as a field, right? So if you choose within a form to add a particular type of service for income, you will be using this item number or name, right? Currently we don't have a number set, which usually makes things a lot easier to add or remove, right? So we managed to add custom field to our customer side, also vendor side. So this field should be accessible from both of those items list.